This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about tasting spoons, specifically these silver plastic curly tasting spoons. They're approximately 4 inches in length, and these are a stylish and dramatic way to step up the presentation of your foods. They're great for things like apps and hors d'oeuvres, single bite desserts, tapas, or just if you're going to present a single bite tasting menu or offer some samples to your guests. These are a great, lovely, beautiful way to do so. They feature a high shine to that silver finish and a lovely little shallow basin and a nice handle that gives them some stability. The handles also make them easy to use when setting up and for your customers to grab. They have a lovely stylish arc to them that makes them great for use in restaurants, at catered events, for a variety of different functions, or just for sampling.